Meet the Bombardier Beetle, an insect with a defense strategy that sounds straight out of a spy movie. When threatened, this tiny beetle mixes two chemicals, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, inside its abdomen. The reaction is triggered in a special chamber lined with enzymes, instantly heating the mixture to nearly 100 degrees. The beetle then blasts the boiling, noxious liquid out of its rear in rapid-fire pulses, creating a popping sound and a cloud of steam. This explosive spray deters predators and makes the Bombardier Beetle a true marvel of natural engineering.